Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a game similar to Among Us, or with the same mystery style, not just exactly Among Us, but something similar in style. So we have to create a new base plate, we're going to create a new base plate. I am going to save to Roblox as I'm going to turn Team Create off since we don't really need it. I'm going to turn on tablet and phone for now. I might add stuff like that later. I'm going to check, yeah, the name's there. Now I am going to go to settings, avatar, and avatar type are 6. Because that's the avatar type that I'm going to use for animations. Now what can I do? So first we need kind of a map. So, let me think. Let's just start with making, say, a task. Let's make our first task. So we're going to say insert a part. I'm just going to scale it a little. Make it anchored and can collide on. Images, wires. I'm just gonna look at this for a second, see if we can find something. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at that anymore. Models. Okay, so now we have this. How about we name this wire? How about we name this wires 1. This is the wires task version 1 and the first of the 3 parts of the task. So I'm going to duplicate and duplicate. So rename this wires 1, 2, and wires 1, 3. Now I'm going to put let's think, what about a proximity prompt? So rename this task prompt. Going to add a string value, rename task name, and a script. Where is it? There. Rename task main. So local prompt equals script.parent. Local task name equals script.parent equals prompt.task name.value. So prompt.action text equals do task. Then we're going to do the task name. Okay, now prompt.triggered connect function player. Now I'm going to change this to, so for trigger we're going to want to do a hold duration. I'm going to make this 0.1 so it's quite quick. You can change this to whatever you want. This will basically be like, say you want it so that I have to hold the E button down for 2 seconds. Change the hold duration to 2. And then it will take 2 seconds to hold it down. And if you don't hold it down for 2 seconds, say if you only do it for 1 second, it will go back to 0 seconds has been held. And this is local for each player, I think. Not the task main script, but the hold duration. Anyway, so prompt.triggered connect function player. So I am going to add a let me see, screen GUI, rename tasks, add a what about a frame. Now I'm gonna close the task main, make this frame like this, make this, and make it so that we want actually no, not what I was thinking. What we are going to do is put another little frame, name this wire 1 out. Okay, we'll put this here, make this red. Then we'll duplicate. Move this one over here. And wire 1 in. Duplicate. 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 And duplicate. And there. So now this and this will be, where's the name? Okay, now wire 1 out, start wire 1, wire 2, wire 3, and finally wire 4. I'm gonna rename this wires. So now what we're gonna do is we need to make it so that these can actually connect. So I'm going to script game get service run service dot render stepped connect function. Then what we're gonna do is I'm going to add a object value, name selected wire. So what do we do now? Well, what we're going to need to do is make it so that, say, 1 wire's here. We're going to want to be able to move it all the way up here. So script.parent.select wire.value. I'm going to set this as a wire 1 out dot size dot width. So size equals UDIM2 dot new. We will want a X scale will be, well, instead of a script, I'm gonna have to put this in a local script because we need to get the player as a value. So local player equals game dot players dot local player. Local mouse equals player dot player get mouse. Okay, so I'm going to need to let me think. We're going to put a wire on all of the wire outs. We're gonna change visible to false. Okay. Gonna rename it to have position at the end or pause. Switch stands for position. Now, I'm going to delete the script and then the local script. So UDIM2 we're going to do, so, so local dest equals script up parent find first child script up parent dot selected wire dot value dot name dot dot pause minus dot position dot magnitude. So now Now you have that. So script dot dot selected wire dot value dot dist comma dot size dot y comma we're gonna want to do a, actually give me a second, I'm gonna turn the volume down a little bit. We're gonna want to now have to the position of dist divided by 2. Oh, that's x offset. Dist divided by 2, comma, dot size dot y, comma. Now the y offset, we're gonna need a new distance variable. It's gonna be distance 2. Dist dot x, dist dot x divided by 2. That dist dot y. Okay. Dist dot y divided by 2. So gonna copy this dot okay. So anyway, now I think that's done now. At least, wait, give me a second. What we're gonna want to do is script dot parent dot dot So now, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do a wires task. So what I'm gonna do for the wires task, actually, I'm going to get the object text. I'm gonna get a new string value and task type. I'm gonna make this simple. So then prompt dot object text equals, I'm gonna get task type equals task type. Okay, so if then task type is equals simple, Then what we're gonna do is just player.tasks find first child task name dot value equals true. Now, so then I'm gonna do an else if. So else if task type equals advanced, then player GUI find first child task name dot enabled equals true. Repeat wait 1 until dot completed dot value equals true. And then so advanced is a GUI and simple is just you hold it for however long. I'm gonna make it so you have to hold this for 5 seconds. Now we may do like visual tasks, say if you're like standing on this little platform, and if you do the task, it will have this green cylinder go up around you, say scanning you. But we won't do that now. We just gotta get this task stuff working. I'm gonna save. Gonna remove these. So I'm gonna get this to wires. Okay. Now in server script service, we're going to add a script. Rename tasks. So game dot. Actually, you know what? We're going to rename main because this will be our main. So function task. We'll add tasks for I, v and I pairs. Game dot players get players do. If okay, so I'm going to add a folder to replicate a storage. Name tasks. I'm gonna do local tasks equals game dot replicate storage dot tasks. So if number of tasks get children is less than, I'm gonna add a int value, rename tasks per round. So script.tasks per round dot value. Then we're gonna do else. So now we're gonna do for I, v and I pairs tasks get children do v clone dot parent equals v. Oh, come on. So we're gonna do vv and vv there. Then v dot tasks game dot players dot player added connect function player instance dot new folder comma player dot name equals, I'm gonna do tasks. So this is one line to create a folder named tasks in the player. Now up here we will do the task. So here we're gonna do a for I equals 1, comma 5, script dot task around dot value do, and then VV equal with, I don't know why I chose that name, but equals where we are going to do tasks get children, then we're going to put square brackets to choose one, and then we're going to do math.random to get a random that is rounded into an integer. So then we're going to do 1 comma number of tasks get children. So this picks a random one from the tasks folder we have in replicated storage that is defined as tasks up here. Now I'm going to do that should actually be it for now. We have our tasks. Actually, wait a second. What we're going to do is I'm going to add a bool value, rename wires. Okay, I'm going to set this to say, I don't know, let's just say 4. Save it, and that will be the end of this video, everyone. See ya!